Hey, good morning, fam. Good morning. Happy Wednesday to everybody. Happy Wednesday. Listen, the topic of today is mortgage protection. Okay. What exactly is mortgage protection and what are the benefits of having a mortgage protection? Okay. Now, simply put, all mortgage protection is you getting a life insurance policy equal to the value of the loan amount you took out on your house or your property, right? And sometimes people get a little bit more, and I'll explain that in a second. So the purpose of this is in the event the borrower passes away, the mortgage debt can be satisfied free and clear. The house can be paid off and the family can end up keeping the house. So for example, most people get a mortgage protection plan based on the value, based on the loan amount. So let's say your property is $500,000. The loan amount you took, is $500,000. You might get a $500,000 policy. So in the event that the individual passes away, then the house can be paid off. Okay. Now, some people will also factor into that what we like to call income replacement. Okay. So what that exactly is this. The individual makes $100,000 a year. Okay, this might be they might have like a young family, so they want to make sure that something happens to them that the family can still survive even after paying the mortgage, right? So they might factor in. So we typically say 10 times your income. So you take $100,000 a year that you're making, you multiply it times 10. That's 1 million. So now you might end up getting a mortgage protection plan of 1.5 million. So the 1 million for your income replacement, and then the $500,000 to pay off the mortgage, right? So that is simply what mortgage protection is. And to be honest with you, I think it is an essential plan for anybody who owns a home. You should have this because the stats is this: most people don't end up losing a home because they can't afford it. Most people end up losing a home for two reasons: somebody dies or somebody falls sick, which is the next thing that I want to go over. The other side of the mortgage protection plan that I love, because a mortgage is usually 30 years, and in between 30 years, health situation might happen to anybody. You know what I'm saying? We don't know. So what that does is, in the event that a person falls sick, okay, let's say cancer, heart attack, stroke, dementia, things like that. At that point, there's something in that mortgage protection plan that's called living benefits. At that point, now you're able to activate your life insurance death benefit while you're still alive. That's why it's called living benefit. And you can pull out money to take care of mortgage payment, medical bills, and things like that. So what it will do is it will allow you to be able to maintain on life, maintain all the payments and debts and things you were paying for when you were healthy, right? You pull money from your death benefit, like your mortgage, car note, utilities, medicine, medical bills, all these things, right? While you're still alive, so you're able to activate your policy while you're still alive. So that is huge, okay? And listen, I don't want to go into full details. If you guys have more questions, please contact me. We can sit down and we kind of like go over how this plan can benefit you. But the one last thing I want to talk about before I end this is this: that mortgage protection, if done properly and structured properly in the right plan, can also help you pay your mortgage off 10 to 15 years early. 10 to 15 years early. So again, listen, I don't want to make this a long video, but if you guys are interested in getting more information, you can reach me at TitanEvolutionGroup.com. That's TitanEvolutionGroup.com, which I will attach the link to this video. Or you can text me directly on my personal line, which is 443-208-5480. That's 443-208-5480. Again, if you have a home and you don't have mortgage protection, you're leaving your family wide open for a situation that can be devastating to them. Okay? Thank you guys. Talk to y'all soon.